How to use Train Fitness app review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. The Train Fitness app is a powerful tool for workouts, but beginners often make mistakes that limit results or even cause injury. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They skip setting personal goals. The surprising truth is that the app is designed to adapt workouts to your fitness level and objectives. Without specifying your goals, you get generic routines that may not challenge or benefit you effectively. Another mistake is ignoring proper form guidance. Train offers video demonstrations and instructions for each exercise. Skipping these can lead to injuries or ineffective workouts. Always watch the video before attempting new exercises. Many users also underestimate the importance of consistency. The app works best when workouts are logged regularly. Using it sporadically prevents progress tracking and reduces motivation. Finally, beginners often overlook the nutrition and recovery tips built into the app. Following these recommendations ensures faster recovery and better results. Ignoring them can stall progress even if workouts are completed consistently. In conclusion, using the Train Fitness app properly means setting clear goals, following form instructions, staying consistent, and using nutrition and recovery guidance. Avoiding these common mistakes ensures you maximize results and make the app a true ally in your fitness journey.